In a place where a great civilization once thrived, stands the wild and crazy city of Cairo. Today we'll try to squeeze through the maze of its noisy streets to reach and explore its heart, the legendary el-Khalili market.
Entered some random marketplace. This is pretty chaotic. So many people all around. We are on our way to el-Khalili. Pretty massive here. Oh my god. I think we're gonna try something. But we need water to watch fruits. There are so many fruits that we'd like to try.
Construction site.
Whoa, that's even better. So, what do you think?
Hi, how are you?
We hope we're on the right way. Yesterday we were told by a taxi driver that there are like over 1 million people here. But it makes sense, because this is the heart of the city. Is it Egyptian coffee? What do you call it? Yeah?
Coffee bun. معبود.
Okay.
معبود. بن معبود.
Okay.
زي ما انت شايفين.
Oh, it's only $4.
عرف انجليزي وانا بعرف اتكلم عربي.
They also decided to film us. Maybe for their vlog.
The rising will be way faster. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Shukran.
Oh.
Yeah, try it.
Yeah, it's good. Sweet?
Yeah, with sugar.
Okay. It's different from what I can see her coffee.
It's not so strong,
Yeah.
but it's
It's
has
a texture. I don't-
texture.
Yeah. I want to say again that it feels a little bit like a porridge aftertaste, but in terms of texture. So what we're thinking about now, either to go through all these narrow streets there, maybe quite a battle there along the big street. What do you think? What is it? Sugar cane. How much is one? 50. Okay, one. Sugar. Here, sugar cane. Tastes good. It's pretty sweet, I would say. Tastes like a water with sugar and with a little bit of soap. Yeah, what a wild place. But it's good. That's how I like it. That's how I think markets should look like. There is a lot of hustle, a lot of things that are for sale. Beautiful mosques there. Yep. Oh, that's crazy. So now it's still a question, how do we get where we want to get? Okay, let's follow some random narrow streets. Wedding dresses, beautiful. By walking the streets, now I have one question. There are definitely strict rules on how women should be dressed like, but at the same time you see those sex shops kind of things, you know, with very open dresses and yeah, obviously very erotic stuff. And I don't understand who is it sold for. Yeah, maybe someone knows. I don't.
Now it's tranquil.
Silence, finally.
Yeah, tranquility and silence finally. And we reached el-Khalili. So that's the main entrance. Smile. Souvenirs. We don't really need souvenirs. There are also a lot of homeless cats and dogs all over town. Nin, Theo. So kids got hungry, I suppose. We're gonna find something. Another try to buy ice cream for a reasonable price. Ice cream, yeah, how much? 30. Okay, 30 for one scoop? 20. Okay, 40 is big one and 20 is small one. All right, that's a different thing. Yeah, totally different price. It sounds reasonable. All right, we're gonna get some ice cream.
The color is really bright and unnatural, but the taste is really good.
No, it's not too sweet. It's like berries, refreshing. Well, at this point, I don't even know whether we're still in el-Khalili or outside of it. Well, some of the places in Egypt look like this. A bit of a harsh reality. That's the way it is. You can always show only the bright side. Would you look at that? It's beautiful. And by beautiful, I don't mean only the architecture. I mean the way this prayer sang. And I like that the filming is not prohibited here. It's great. A very interesting place. Oh, and a very nice carpet. We reached probably the farthest point for the day. Look at this impressive gate. And there are some places to eat apparently. So we'll go eat, see what's for the menu. Look at that. Wow. Cool. Yeah? Good stuff. Yeah. It looks great. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. You have a lot of food being prepared. Yeah. We ordered 2 shawarmas, beef, yeah, 2 beef, and yeah, 1 sandwich I think with seafood. This is a busy place. This is the name of the restaurant, by the way. Is it your place still? Yeah, it's still you. Okay.
Yes,
You guys receive their food first. It's that seafood sandwich. So Jan, what's your verdict? Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good.
Is it spicy? No. For kids, it's not spicy.
And again, we're sitting in the middle of the road. If you see, yeah. I think we sit in the middle of the road. Not in the middle of the road, but the chairs like occupy half of the road, and there's only like 1.5 lanes left for the traffic. A bunch of cats. Let's try shawarma. Oh, thumbs up. Wild cats are all over the place. Oh.
Hey, you're welcome to Egypt!
Yeah, you see? People are very welcoming here.
بس you know what it is? امسك كرس
طيب 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 يا السلام على معالي الشام.
Well, and it feels like this part of the market is all about souvenirs. We're gonna check out scarabs. Are they made of stone?
Yeah, it's tall.
Pretty cool. How much?
Which one? This one?
Like for this side.
100. You need plastic, this is stone.
This is stone.
Yeah. This is 1,000.
1,000.
Wow.
Man.
Stone.
Okay.
This is stone.
Yeah. How much then?
Just the price, my friend, for you.
All right,
many pieces?
50.
Why?
50 is a good price for it.
It's bigger.
I know I can get the same thing cheaper.
It's
Pretty good.
bigger.
But I want to give you 50.
Just the price?
Yeah, just.
How many pieces? One piece?
Yeah, one is enough.
Only
Then-
one?
Then what's the last price?
Look. This is gonna be on this silver.
Yeah. All right, this one we bought for 60, but it looks like a real stone. Does it? You don't think so? Anyways.
Let's use this tiny bus.
Downtown Cairo? Downtown Cairo? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll make a couple more tries. I'm not sure where they all heading to.
What did he say?
He said that it's not to the downtown Cairo. Downtown Cairo. How much? How much? We are for 40 for everyone. No, for one. Oh, 40. Okay.
Hi, how are you?
All right.
Ramses!
Is it fun? It is fun. Hey. I think it's maybe 2-3 kilometers to our hotel. Max.
Can you stop right here? Yeah. Shukran. Thank you very much.
All right. We got way closer to our hotel. Couple more blocks.
Arancush, very good.
How much? How much?
100 pound, 1 kilo.
And what is it?
نبع ده اتفضل.
It's
Very
like
good.
apples. Yeah. It's really tiny apples, which is ridiculous. All right, these are incredibly tiny apples. Sorry, is it beef? Beef. Okay. Yeah. And both chicken. Okay, cool. And if I would, if I would like to have it, you know, in a roll like shawarma sandwich. Which one is this?
No, like. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this one. Yeah. What is it? How is it called?
100.
100.
Big 100.
Okay.
Our small 2
Okay, cool. Just randomly. It's got some soup. It's soup, right? Soup. Yeah, it's delicious.